The 2006 Lincoln Zephyr. The Lincoln Zephyr is every bit a contemporary Lincoln in its exterior styling. Angular and toned, with the trademark Lincoln chromed waterfall grille and sculpted hood. It's conservative enough to please longtime Lincoln buyers, yet fresh enough to attract a younger set that Lincoln desires, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, child safety locks, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, fog lights, center console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.